La Boheme is one of the most magnificent operas ever composed by Puccini. It's a grand opera, and being able to witness it in a very intimate theatres of Wales, it's just, you can't miss it. It's just wonderful.
Puccini's a master at writing love stories. If you're not crying or laughing by the time you're at some point during the show, then I beg to differ, you will be, actually.
It's the most perfect love story. There's romanticism. Okay, there's a little bit of death at the end, but which opera hasn't got that somewhere?
The music is passionate, it's vibrant, it's energetic, it has great sweeping melodies.
La Boheme is chock full of lovely tunes and famous arias.
The music above everything carries you from this journey of the singers and the actors as their characters move from youth to maturity, as life throws tough challenges at them. Challenges we've all faced at some point as we've matured and grown up, and it makes us be able to identify with those people on stage. They're charming, they're bohemians, they're fab.
Musetta yw cymeriad fwyaf yr opera yma. Mae'n fflyrtio gyda pawb, mae'n mwynhau bywyd, mae'n cael amser da wastad, mae'n hoffi drink ac hoffi hwyl.
Mimi is an embroiderer. She sews flowers, and she's like one of the flowers. She's very fragile. She falls in love, but she dies shortly afterward.
Dwi'n chwarae rhan Rodolfo. Bardd yw Rodolfo. Mae'n un o 4 ffrind sy'n byw yn y fflat dingy yma yn Mharis gyda'i ffrind, yr athrylydd Coline, yr cerddor Sionad a'r arlunydd Marcello.
What makes people connect with La Boheme? It's youth. We were all young once. We all remember those moments of passion, of falling in love for the first time, the excitement, the thrill, that glance across the room.
My son is 18, he's coming to see this opera. He's bringing 3 of his teenage friends with him, and I wouldn't have suggested they come if I didn't think this was an absolute winner of an opera for teenagers seeing their first opera.
The best bit about Mid Wales Opera Tour for us guys as the performers is literally touring to all these fantastic independent theatres who've been struggling for the last couple of years with COVID, but we're reopening, and we couldn't be more excited than to reopen with a production of Boheme, and this production by Mid Wales Opera.